Assalamu alaikum friends. It is a feed mixing machine. It also has a weight scale. We add different types of ingredients to make feed for different animals and we know how much to add. So I will tell you in full detail about how many load cells are installed in it, and in this I will also put an indicator and show this indicator calibration, and then we will put feed in this machine and take it to the weight bridge and check it's telling the weight is right or wrong. Let's go friends, starting the video. But let me tell you about that before starting the video. In our channel all kind of weighing scale or indicator calibration, weighing indicator repairing, load cell repairing, and the cost of weighing scale is mentioned. If you have any kind of question about it, then you can ask us. If you are new in our channel and you have not subscribed to our channel yet, then quickly subscribe that or press the bell icon so that our every new videos can reach you easily. And if you have benefit from this video at all, then don't forget to like this video. Friends, let's me tell you that this is a feed mixing machine. This machine has an indicator installed and three load cells are used. Let me show you load cells. First one cell is attached in front part and two load cells are used in back part. Second load cell used in right side and third load cell used in left side in the machine. As I have told you earlier that it has three load cells with the help of which it tells us the weight. And let me tell you that the load cells used in it are of a different type. Its total capacity is 4 ton, it giving us a weight of up to 4 tons. You can see that we have put the indicator and it is also telling the weight. Look at this, I am putting weight on it, so it is telling the weight. We make its connection, the indicator will be set here so that it will not be damaged due to rains. Friends, the scale is 0. As you can see, this feed is prepared. We will this feed in the scale with the help of machine. This feed is being put in the scale, so now we go and check its weight, how much weight it is reporting, and we will also check it on the weight bridge, and after that we will calibrate it. It's tell 307 weight. Take it to the weight bridge to check the weight. We will see our net weight 307. Friends, machine come into the weight bridge and weight bridge show us a weight 310. This is running at 5 kg so that this show accurate weight. So now we are going to calibrate it. Press the enter button and turn on the indicator. This is show decimal. After that press the tare button. We set the capacity. To the menu button. I set the total capacity of 6 ton. Caliber is 0. Empty the platform. With the help of tare button, we gone write. The menu button used to write something. We have two bottles. The weight of one bottle is 23 kg. The total weight of these bottles 46 kg. With the help of menu, I set the weight of 46 kg. check the platform is empty. The dead weight put in the platform and check the weight. After that, I press the tear button. Simply the load comes. One bottle put out the platform and check the weight. You can see that the weight show 23 kg. We put again this bottle in the platform. You can see finally weight show again 46 kg. When we put out one bottle, the weight show 23 kg. We put second bottle out of the platform. Finally you can see the weight is 0. If you have any question about it, you ask us. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.